Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing another VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset. We're going to be looking at this travel carry case by ZyberVR today. This one retails for $43 on their website. It is on sale right now at the time of posting at $36. If you use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, you can get an extra 20% off as well. So in this one, I will unbox it. I will show you how to put a headset in it. I will show you some of the head straps that fit in it from what I have, and then I'll give you my thoughts and review of it in the end. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I will link that playlist below so you can see all those ones as well. Let's jump into this one. So let's take a look at this case here. It just came in a bag, so I'm not going to unbox it or anything. But let's open it up here and see what we got. So this is a hard shell case on the outside here. The sides, however, are soft, and same with the back. The back is a little bit more to it, but it still is kind of soft. There's a buckle on top, a handle, a couple of straps there. You also have a pocket right on the back, on the side here, close to your charging port, and we'll kind of go through that here as well. So opening this up, here's our first take on it. Here's our little user manual. Comes with a little lens protector, which is always nice. We have our cord, and then we also have, oh nice, so nice big strap that you can put on there and use. Now I am interested to test a couple of things. So I've got straps on my controllers there. I'm going to, first I guess I should put these together. See, with those straps, they don't really go together super well. They do hug in there all right. And my headset right now has the Kiwi battery attachment here, so I'm going to just kind of see how that goes here as well, to see if that'll fit with everything else that's going on. I'm sorry, my video cut out there. My storage was full, so I had to free some stuff up. So you were seeing as I was just putting in that, putting in the Quest there, it did fit. It was a tight fit, but if we open it up here, you will see. There we go. So it did fit all the way in there with everything. So now there is the charging part to this. So this cord here, I'm just going to remove this so I have a little bit more space to work with. Controllers out. So with controller covers, just basic ones, the extended ones wouldn't fit, but just with basic ones and a battery head strap there, it did fit. So it looks like this cord goes in here, gets inserted right here, and then this cord comes over here and can plug into your headset while you have it in there. So at first I thought that the backpack itself had a battery in it, but it doesn't. You need to plug your own, either a cord plugging into the wall, into the charger here, or you could have a power bank that then goes into the back side of the backpack and sits in there. There's enough space for actually a couple of power banks, or a phone and a power bank. It's pretty spacious. It's this whole half of the backpack back here. Actually, it goes all the way even to the middle there, right there. So then that's how that would look charging in. Again, that's going to be a pretty tight fit, but it would work. It definitely would work there. And then it just depends on your power bank, how much charge you have in that, and how much charge you will get out of it in there as well. I do have a type of halo strap I will try in here as well, and kind of see how that goes, and because just to see if it's just a basic halo strap would fit in here as well. I think it might, but we will see. Alright, so I attached here a halo strap. This one's by Geek VR. So let's put these controllers back in, so we're getting a fair read here. And I'm gonna plug this in on the side here, just to to see if it would all actually fit. Make that nice and snug all the way around. Put the strap over. Okay, yeah, that actually zipped up. And I have this plugged in. If I was to put in a power bank there, I could charge it. So yes, this is a pretty tall case. It was able to fit that halo strap in there. That's good to know. Alright, so I've been able to use this a little bit. I wanted to show you a couple more things about it and then give you my pros and cons. So I have my Quest 2 in it right now. I wanted to kind of just go through this little strap that comes with it. So you can see there's the big buckle on the top, and on the back we have this big buckle here. So you can simply click that in. Then on the bottom of the strap there's this little clip of a hook, and on your case you'll notice there's two hooks there as well. You can choose which one you want to put it on, depending which shoulder you're putting it over, and then you can just hang it over one shoulder if you would like, or you can, you know, put it crossways across your body, and you can see it there hanging on the back. You can adjust it right here, tighten it up, loosen it up. This is nice and soft. That's pretty comfortable. And because it's not very heavy, right? A Quest 2 isn't very heavy. That's not putting a lot of strain just on one shoulder. Alright, in terms of pros and cons, I like, you know, the hard shell right here. I like the padding on the back. It's very, very comfortable there. I like the shoulder strap that you can carry it on your back. You don't have to always just hold it. Almost every other case that I've tried to date is just a handle case, so you do have to just carry it. A big pro is that it fits. Excuse me. Big pro is that it fits Elite straps. It fits a Halo strap. It says on their website that it fits other VR headsets as well. I only have the Quest 2, so that's all I was able to test it with. But being able to fit an Elite strap, being able to fit a Halo strap, and other types of Elite straps is huge. I know people are always looking for that kind of thing. There's a little bit of room for accessories in the top there, you know, for your charger, maybe for your lenses if you use prescription lenses or anything like that. There's a little bit of room for that on top, depending also on what kind of Elite strap you have and you're trying to put in there as well. I like that my controller grip covers fit on the controllers and inside as well. Many other cases there aren't room for those grip covers as well. So those are some pretty big pros. In terms of pricing, $36 on sale, and if you were to use my promo code of Brian Sloan, all capital letters, to get an extra 20% off, you're looking at less than $30 for a pretty good case here. In terms of cons, a lot of cases are hard shell all the way around. This one is soft. I don't know if that's necessarily a con, but just something to think about and consider. And another con with pretty much every single case that I've talked about so far is just lack of room for other accessories. This one has more room than other ones, since I can fit those controller covers, fit, you know, an Elite strap or a Halo strap. But, you know, maybe I want to bring some controller extensions if you're playing, I don't know, Beat Saber, Vader Immortal. I use a golf club extension all the time for Walkabout Mini Golf or Golf Plus. What if I want to bring that along with me? There's nothing here. Even if there was like something on the outside, a Velcro strap or clip or something to put something else onto, I think that would be useful. So this one's overall though, this is a good case. You're going to fit more in this one than a lot of the other cases that I have reviewed, or you don't have to disassemble things to fit them in the case. Like the Kiwi case, for example, you had to disassemble the Elite strap to fit it in. But this one, you don't have to. It fits right in. If we open this up for you, one last little look. You can see it all there. It's strapped in, so it's not going anywhere. See it all there. It looks good in there, and a nice fit with that Elite strap. So thank you for joining this one. Again, on their website, ZyberVR store, you can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 20% off. Make sure you check out my other VR accessory review videos, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.